Hello everyone, my name is Shahjahan VM. I welcome you to my channel 7 English. In today's video lesson, I'm going to give you an understanding or idea about how to understand the question in IELTS Task 2, whether it is academic or general. So, you know very well that sometimes many of students find it is difficult to read and understand the question. This is one of the major reasons why students lose their mark. Because if you make a mistake, a slight error in understanding the question, maybe it will negatively affect the structure. That as a result, it will lead you to getting lower down your score for the task response. So it's very important to understand the question. So this lesson is about the question and its part and how to interpret well. So let's get started. Well, before I get into the detail, let me give you an idea about the essay types very briefly. First of all, there are 4 types of essays: opinion, discussion, problem solving, and direct question. Opinion question, it's like, for example, a person's worth nowadays is judged based on his social status and material possessions. The old-fashioned value, for example, such as trust, honesty, and kindness is no longer seen to be important. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This is how an opinion question appears. However, you will have the problem solving question that appears like global warming, for example. Okay, the amount of global warming is rising, or global warming is a serious issue. What do you think are the causes and what solution you would suggest? So basically it has 2 parts: one, causes, and remedies or the solution. If again the question might be asked about you the effects, then you also need to write about the effects. So this is how a problem solving question appears. Well, the discussion question. The discussion question further divided into 2 parts. First one, discuss the advantages and the disadvantages. The second one, discuss the there will be a statement that is controversial. Like some people say this while others say this. Some people say that it is good for students to study individually, while others say that it is better to study in a group in the form of combine with the other students. Discuss both view and give your opinion. Otherwise, simply you will have advantages and disadvantages question. For example, as information technology becomes more and more developed, or it's getting developed day by day, so the number of or the amount of people using the paperback books is declining, while people prefer to read on the e-books. So do you think the advantages of e-books outweigh its disadvantages? Digital books. So these are the 2 types of discussion essay. And finally, you will have the direct question. In direct question, you will not have task instructions, simply you will have the statements. Statement. For example, people are using computer more and more as the information technology is being revolutionized. So what do you think about the reasons of the over dependence on the computer, and how do you think computer will change our life in the future? So there is no task instruction, whereas you have direct question. So you will have the question that you can divide the question into 3 parts. The first part is background. Then background means a brief idea about the question and the topic. Then you will have the topic, then you will have the task instruction. So background, like some people say in the past or nowadays, at present, then you will have the topic. Like for example, as I said in the earlier example, a person's worth is judged by the material, the social status and the material possession. So this is what the background topic. Then the topic, old-fashioned values such as honesty, then trust and kindness is no longer seem important. This is the issue. What the old-fashioned values like honesty, kindness and trust is no longer seem to be important. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This is what the task instruction. So this is how you need to understand the question. If you understand the question in this way, of course, so what you are going to write is you are going to support one part, then you are defending that your position which is taken in the essay. So this is how you need to interpret the question. I hope that you understand the essay types and the question types. Well, students, that's the end of today's lesson. I hope that you understand very well how to interpret the question in IELTS essay. So if it is very useful, please do leave your comment, like and share. You can also visit my website www.7englishielts.com, and of course please don't forget to follow my Facebook page 7English, so you will be able to receive tips on a daily basis on all the 4 modules. So see you next time. Take care. Bye.